Welcome. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to view your contract details, because some people in Bytnex appears not to know how to view their contract details. So this video will give you a very good tutorial how to get that done, right? So that being said, let's dive right in and give you the tutorial that you need to help you to get your contract details. Okay, so first of all, when you log in into your Bytnex account, you click on my portfolio. When you click on my portfolio, you will see a drop down, okay, with overview, portfolio, apply DeFi hybrid contract, and then my contracts. So you want to select my contracts, okay? Select my contracts. Once you have clicked on my portfolio, and then once you select contract, this page will open for your contract details. Okay, now if you have multiple contracts, you will see all your contracts displaying on the list. Okay, as you follow the arrow, you will notice what I'm talking about in your back office, right? If you have one single contract, you are going to see something like this. So you will be able to check your contract start date, and you will also be able to check your contract end date, which is the date your contract is going to expire. Okay, so these are the two key dates that you need to keep note of. Every single contract that you have activated in Bytnex has start date and end date, and the only way to get that information is to follow the instructions that I am giving you just now. So if you want to see the fees and the charges that is being applied to each of your contract, all you need to do is select that particular contract if you have multiple contracts, and then click on that arrow pointing to the right. Okay, so click on this arrow here, click on this arrow. When you click on this arrow, it's going to open up this page for you. On this page, you will be able to check your contract fees. Okay, so you will see your insurance fee, you will see the handling fee, and there is still one more fee that you will not see here. That fee will be applied when you complete your contract. Okay, so if you want to see more details, you just scroll down on this same page. Okay, this same page that you are, when you scroll down on this same page, you are going to get to this page. Okay, so here you will see more contract details. You will see the overview fees that you have paid every month or that you are paying every month, and then you will see your net profit so far that you have made, and you will see your remaining days, okay, for that particular contract. And right below that, you will see a chart that will give you the last 15 days profit in percentage. Okay, and then after that, you will see more details as well, like this on the same page if you just scroll down that page. Okay, so I have blanked out my contract IDs just for security purposes. I wouldn't want to display my contract IDs. Okay, but here you will see the last 15 days, the percentage in profit that is being displayed. As you can see, every day is not the same, right? So some days is 0.11%, some days is 0.17%, some days is 0.15%. There is even some days that you have 0.19% and 0.12%, 0.16%. So the rewards or the profits are not fixed. So you will be getting different profit rates on a daily basis. So this is how to get your contract details if you are in Bytnex and you are looking for a way to see more details about your contract, like when your contract is going to expire and all the details of the contract, like the fees that are being charged as well. Okay, so let me just recap what I have said. If you want to see the contract start date and contract end date and all the fees that are applied on your contract in Bytnex, logging into your Bytnex account, click on my portfolio, select my contract, When you select my contract, this page will open. If you have multiple contracts, you will see all of them displaying here. If you want to go into more details to see the charges and the fees, you click on that little arrow on my right hand side here. That will now open up the next page for you to see more details. However, on the same page, you will be able to see your contract start date and your contract end date. Okay, so when you click on that arrow on my right hand side here, the one that says check contract fees and charges, this page will open. When this page opens, you will also be able to see the monthly fee for the handling fee and for the insurance premium fee as well. You will see all the details here. And then on this same page, scroll right down, you will see more details like this: overview fees, net profit, days remaining, and your last 15 days profit in percentage. All of these will display on that page. I hope this video helps you to understand how to navigate to get more details about your contract. So the question is, what happens if you cannot access the details of your contract? Let's say you're logging into your account and you couldn't access this page that has your contract for you to click to see the fees and the charges. What you then do, okay, my recommendation, because that will be technical issues on your particular account, it may not be affecting other people. So what you then need to do is to please contact customer support of Bytnex. That is the best recommendation. That is the advice I will give to you. Bytnex customer support will get back to you to tell you why you cannot see the details of your contract, right? I cannot solve that problem for you. I can only refer you to customer support so that they will deal with the issue your account is having, right? So I hope this video tutorial helps, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, don't forget to sign up and deposit at least $105 in Bitcoin or in Bitcoin Cash and activate at least one contract. Okay, so thank you and God bless.